Hi Aries, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a work and money reading for you. Some of our subscribers reached out and requested for one, and I thought, yes, why not? We're all going through a money crunch right now with the COVID, and let's see what's in store. Coming out of a self-imposed prison. You've been stressed for a long time, Aries, it seems, in the money department, and I think things are going to get good for you. But let's see how this is going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless Aries with a reading for money and work for the month of August, and bless them with the messages they need to hear the most at this time. So Aries, let's begin. Big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you. You know, it's not my channel. That's why I always say we welcome you here. It's all your input. Even this reading I'm doing is for you because you requested one, right? So thank you for all your love. And if you're new here, do subscribe, join our little Omkara family. We welcome you in. And with that said, end of Sleepless Nights, Aries. Two beautiful cards even before we open the rest of our cards. Okay, so you've been stressing, you've been worrying about money, you've been worrying about your job, maybe whatever you've been doing, money's been tight, and you have spent many a sleepless nights worrying about it. But yes, this was in your head now. You're soon going to be coming out of that. Now let's open your cards. Let's see your current position. Six of Wands. Right now, Aries, you are not feeling at your best, right? Maybe you lost a lot of, you put in a lot of work in the past. But there was somebody around you who didn't have your highest good, right? They kind of cheated you, I think, of your abundance. Yeah. You are now you are wishing and hoping, Aries, right now, that you want now to regain whatever was lost and become, very, very stable in your life after whatever happened in your past. In the past, there was either a job or a boss or something which happened which really left you defeated, really made you feel, oh my God, like I can never recover from this. Some secrets came out from this dynamic, maybe whatever you were doing, when you realized that this person or this job did not have your highest good, you felt totally beaten down. You felt publicly humiliated, maybe because you lost money or you lost the job. And what did Aries do? They just closed this chapter. Aries said, I'm no longer going to work with this energy anymore, and I'm going to now heal myself. I'm not going to concentrate on whatever was lost, and I'm going to now work towards becoming very, very stable on my own. One more card, Spirit, for Aries' current energy. How are they feeling now? Yeah, you are no longer confused, Aries. Earlier, maybe somebody was trying to confuse you, trying to, be manipulative in your maybe business accounts or money or something. You are very clear now. You are no longer dealing with anybody wishy-washy, and you are praying, you're hoping upon a star that you can come out of this mess that this person put you in, or this job put you in, or whatever you were doing in the past, and you're trying to pray for some kind of guidance which can make you now totally stable, like of the highest kind by yourself, right? So let's see what's coming up. Four of Cups in reverse. Yes, Aries, whatever depression or sadness that you felt in the past with all this, I think things are going to start looking up for you now. Yeah, you're no longer interested in partying or joining up with people who are of no use to you. You are sick and tired of dealing with any wishy-washy offers. You don't want to sit around depressed, accepting nonsensical invites, you're not going out, you're not partying. You are fully concentrated on having a brand new beginning in your money sphere. You're very concentrated. You're not wasting time in useless gossip or, just going for parties or going out having fun or watching Netflix. You have told yourself that I am going to be the master of my own game now, and I'm not going to allow anything to distract me. And I'm going to get, and yes, you are, from the cards that I'm seeing, you're very soon coming out of this place. You're very concentrated on your pentacle right now. You are saying, okay, now I'm no longer going to trust anyone with my money or my job, and I'm going to now keep a close watch on my finances. I'm not going to deal with anyone who can cheat me anymore. I think, Aries, you've been cheated in the past. Please put in a comment and tell me if I'm correct here. But you are releasing that energy 100%. I mean, the world is here, which signifies a closing of that chapter. You are totally concentrated on yourself. You're keeping a close watch on your bank accounts or whatever, and you're going to have a rebirth very soon, Aries. So let's see what is that you're holding on to. You're still holding on to the thought that things are stagnant. I don't know whether I can ever re-begin. You are still kind of not clear as to whether you can become the master of the game yourself, which is a very wrong energy, Aries. If you are stuck in this place, how will you move forward? You have to be very clear-minded, and to be very sure of your forward path, which is totally possible here, right? So in case something has come to a stagnancy in your life, maybe with job or money or whatever, Spirit says you have to be now in this energy of being a go-getter once again, okay? I think earlier, Aries, you were till something cheated you, right? And it really brought you out feeling very abandoned, feeling embarrassed, feeling, things have just kind of wiped out in your life. And Spirit is saying, no, you will not stay in that energy for too long. You are going to now be that Aries that you're meant to be. Aries are the children of the zodiac, the child. Yes, and we don't want you to feel in this position any longer. Don't hold on to this energy. This is how you were feeling, right, Aries? This is how you were feeling. Oh, I'm never going to be successful, and people are laughing at me, at what happened to me. I have not made a success of myself. Spirit is saying, don't hold on to this energy any longer. So what is it that you should let go of, Aries, now? You should let go of this energy of I'm not, I won't be able to. Here's the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So if you've been holding on to the fact that money doesn't come to me or doesn't stay with me, or I get cheated of all my money whenever I earn it, please let go of that energy. Stop even any thought that you make, Aries, is a manifestation. Yeah. Now, if somebody has done you wrong, if somebody in the past did you wrong, just let go of that. Let go of this in and out energy who kind of came and maybe stole your power. You let go of that. This is letting go position. So one more card, Spirit. What should Aries let go of? Yeah, let go of any offer that comes to me is not going to be good enough. Okay, or it's too small, or it's not worth my time. Let go of anything that bothers you and bring this Queen of Pentacles up. Don't go by the gender, Aries. If you're masculine watching this, it's the same thing. Okay, you are capable of being the best, which you were till somebody cheated you, right? Made you feel bad about yourself or about your finances. So Spirit is saying, let go of this energy. Let's see what's your biggest hurdle now, Aries. 5 of Wands in reverse. You have to let go of this inner conflict, Aries. You have to let go of this inner conflict of, will any offer ever come to me? You are stuck in your mind right now that anything that comes to me is going to be false. Right? There's going to be a fish in that cup. I'm not going to get my worth. So Spirit is saying this is going to be a hurdle in your life, Aries, if you think like that. the wheel of fortune is definitely 100% going to turn in your favor very soon. That whatever you're going to do is going to manifest into a beautiful new beginning for you. And all the stress and worry and whatever, yeah, see, if somebody was sneaky and cheaty, I'm saying, no, if somebody cheated you in the past and kind of stole all your swords, see, I've been saying it from the very first card. Somebody was sneaky and cheating. Did I say that right? Yes, somebody was sneaky and a cheating character. So if you're going to hold on to this energy, it's going to be a big hurdle, because you are meant to be this, Aries. You're meant to be, with that wand and charging ahead. You are a dynamic personality, and things are going to, see, this is what you're going to manifest. Stability once again in your life. Beautiful, beautiful. So Spirit is saying, just don't concentrate on the cheater who left your life. This would be a cheater who played havoc with your finances. So let go of this. So how do people see my Aries now? How do people see my Aries? People see Aries as the 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, people are looking at you to say that this Aries maybe is a little not financially stable yet. Whatever this Aries has put in, whatever years of labor that this Aries has put in has been lost, and maybe Aries is feeling very burdened right now with all their bills and having money trouble and whatever. And yes, they people around you are noticing that yes, somebody was cheated you, and they also realize that maybe you're very embarrassed to even acknowledge the fact. They see you as walking away from people, not sharing your troubles. They see you as not feeling satisfied in your financial department, right? But what is Spirit's going to say to you now? What is Spirit's secret message to you? 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Spirit is saying you're working too hard, okay? And if you're working too hard, you don't need to. You have to just know what you want, okay? And be very clear about it. Instead of working hard, it's time to work smart, okay? Let's take one more card. Spirit, what do you want to say to Aries as your secret message? Yeah, Aries, Spirit says you've already been gifted with this. Whatever brand new beginning you've been looking for, we are presenting it to you. And it's going to be so stable, and it's going to be so easy for you. It's going to be like a piece of cake, right? We're going to give you something which you will not have to put in that much hard work and labor as maybe you've been putting in the past. And yet it's going to fructify into giving you your wish fulfillment. Wow! This is going to make you so happy, Aries. It's going to bring you into a place of stability very soon once again. So don't worry about whatever was lost. This cheating, terrible character or job or business or whatever which is over. Let that go totally. There's no way that you have to feel embarrassed, my Aries. This is not what you are. This is what somebody made you feel. You are going to be in the upright very, very soon. What was the card that fell out? Yes, the High Priestess. You know it, somewhere deep in your soul and heart, you know it, that the entire spiritual realm realizes that you've been a good person and you deserve the best. And they are 100% going to, not just make you recover what you lost. It's going to be 100-fold more. Beautiful reading, Aries. Please, whatever happened in the past, let it go. Don't be in that, thought also about what didn't work out in the past. Yeah, Aries, right now you're going to have so many offers coming to you, of work and finance, and things are going to pour into your life very soon. You're going to have to ward some things off and say, hey, I can't take on that much. Wow. Yes, stable new beginnings coming your way, Aries. You're going to re-begin now, and the ground under your feet is going to be totally stable. Okay? And soon, at bottom of my deck, I had this card, all the stress and worry is going to dissipate. And this card flew out as well. Eight of Swords in reverse. All that overthinking, how am I going to do it? Where is the money going to come for? And my bills are here. All that will soon be over. Don't you worry about it, my Aries. Let's take an angel blessing card for you as well and see what the angels are going to bless you with. So angels, this is work and money, okay? So please give my... Oh! Look deeper, Aries. You may be thinking nothing is working out, but the spirit world is working behind the scenes for you. Okay? Lots of offers are being, manifested, or they're going to come your way. Even though you may feel nothing is working out, I'm just putting in a lot of work, and I don't see any fruition right now. But Spirit is saying, continue being your Aries passionate self, and things are brewing where you can't even see them, and things are going to get really good for you soon. So anything else, my angels? Be generous to yourself. If you've been in lack mentality, if you've been thinking, oh, I can't give myself, that little thing that I wanted to buy or whatever, don't stay in that lack mentality. Money is an energy, Aries. There has to be a flow of energy. So if sometimes you feel like treating yourself, Spirit is saying, please go ahead, because we are going to replenish it 100-fold for you. Okay? And yes, speak your truth now. Speak your truth. You are a vibrant, active, and a passionate, hard-working person. Be proud of who you are. Don't be in this energy of what that person put you in, or that past energy put you in, of lack mentality. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I'm looking forward to Aries. Yes, Aries, you're gonna be happy soon. And do leave me a comment to tell me if these are resonating with you, and also when these lovely new offers come for you. I'm going to be so happy for you, Aries. God bless, take care, love and light, and namaste to all my Aries out there. See you soon.